Mapping in ArcGIS Pro, how to project your map. To set the projection of your map, right-click Map in the Contents pane and select Properties. Select Coordinate Systems. Using the drop-down menus, browse to the projection of your choice, or type in your preferred projection into the search box. If you use the search box, it will automatically filter to your keywords within ArcGIS Pro's predetermined categories. For more information on selecting a projection, please visit the webpage Selecting the Right Projection. A link to this webpage can be found in the video description. Once you have located your projection, select it to change the current XY field. Please note that in this example there is no Z projection since we are mapping in 2 dimensions. Click OK and the map view will change to reflect the new projection. For more information on ArcGIS Pro, visit the UTM Library's ArcGIS Pro playlist.